Hello guys, today I want to show us how you can make money from any talent that you have, bring about any skill that you have and sell it online, and it's one of the major aspects of working online. Online working is not as easy as many think it is, but if you follow the idea I'm about to share today, it's one of the easiest form of working online. This whole idea is about value creation, and value creation is simply giving something valuable to receive something else that is more valuable to you. So in this video I'm going to explain two important aspects of how to monetize any skill that you have. Number one, how do I know what to give out, or how do I know the skill that I have that I can monetize? Then number two, as soon as you know what you want to give out or the value you want to create, on what platform can you sell your skills? So let me start by introducing you to the platform where you can sell your skill. Many people ask, where can I sell my skill? Where can I list? Where can I sell what I have? So I'm going to introduce a platform to us where you can sell any skill that you have. So there is this website called selar.co. 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 This site is very good for selling your product online. So let me give you some guides on how you can get yourself registered. Just go to the website www.selar.co. If you want, I will give you a link that you can use to register after this video. So after your registration, you are going to have this page, and all you need to do is click on add product. So the first thing to take note of, you will have the types of products that you can upload to the site, like the physical product, digital product, ticket, subscription and services. All these ones are free, but if you want to host courses, or you want to stream video courses, online streaming, you have to pay. And the beauty of this selar.com is that the payment for their product listing is very minute. In fact, their subscription is very cheap compared to other services. So if you want to host course, or you want to stream online video, or any membership course, or any course that you want people to pay before they can access the service, you have to pay on the site, and the payment is very cheap, very minute. So for the purpose of this video, I am also on a free mode. So, and let's just assume I have a digital product that I want to offer. I just click on digital products. Okay, now don't be scared when you hear the word digital product, and you don't need any special skill or special technical skill to own a digital product. Digital product could be any product that can be sold online, and it is not necessarily need to be a physical product. So digital products, not necessarily technical something. Let me just give you an example, though this one is a bit technical. If you own a software, if you are into coding, or you have any software that you want to sell, that is just an example of a digital product. So basically, you just come here and fill the form. Like this place is just have a banner or any picture that introduce the digital product. Then come here and fill the name of the product, then sales price. Just come here and fill the price. You can fill the price, you can fill any name, then the price, like let's say it's 1,500 naira. You can also write few line about the product. Make it downloadable file, then insert the product. You can insert the product. You can just insert the product. So list, I forget, you have option. If it is a PDF file and you don't want the buyer to download it, you can make it read online only. You can make it read online only by clicking read online only. And so after filling out the form, just click on create product. Just click on create product and your product will be listed on the seller.co website. Anybody can come and buy, and also you have a duty to copy the link and broadcast so that you can have a buyer from different angles. Don't say, how is this video relevant to me? Don't say, I don't even have a software or whatever. Anything that you know how to do. Imagine if you are a fashion designer, you can take a video from the beginning to the end, how to cut and sew a very beautiful lady's clothes and package it in a video. You can do it with your mobile phone and package it in a video, and you can place it here, and anybody that want to learn how to cut and sew can come here and buy the product. Not just that, mention any skill. Do you know how to make a cake? Maybe you know how to do makeups, or you know how to do a very beautiful hairdo, or you are an hairdresser. All these skills can be put together in a video. So all you need to do is to give us a video, a step-by-step guide, and you explain detail during the video of what you do. Just mention it, hairdresser, you know how to make a cake, how to do jollof rice, how to do chin chin, anything, how to do makeup, how to tie gele. Just give us a step-by-step guide of everything. So anyone that need this course can come here from their homes, pay for the course 2,000, 3,000, and download, watch the course and learn, and you make your money wherever you are. And the beauty of this is you have to do this video or this content once, and many people can come back here to download, to buy years after years. Okay, now if you are a student and you know a particular course content very well, maybe you are the best student in physics, you can make a tutorial course during the exam and go back to your class and meet your coursemate that this particular topic that is giving you guys problem, the video is on so website, and you give them the link. Just put a very token 1,000 naira and everybody will go there and buy. You can even do past question, post UMA past question. You can solve, you can give clue on how to make how to answer interview questions, a lot of things. You can package all these things together as a digital product. All you need to do is to ask yourself, what is it that I know how to do well that people are ready to pay for? So now the next thing is how to publicize your product. The simplest way, you can go to Facebook, join WhatsApp group that is pertaining to the digital product that you are offering. Join WhatsApp group about what you do and consistently post link of seller.com where you have posted your digital product. Aggressively advertise your digital product. Just be posting the link, post it on your status, post it on WhatsApp group, post it on Instagram, post it everywhere. And if you are a YouTuber, you can post the link under your YouTube videos. Another beautiful thing about seller.co is their affiliate program. This is a program where you can join the affiliate. Affiliate is simple as selling other people's product. Definitely there will be some products that will be a fast selling. You can become an affiliate for that product. You can market another person's product on seller.com. And if your product is also fast selling, many people can register under your product to advertise your product for you. And the more they sell, they earn from you, and you also make more sales from the affiliate program. Once your product is sellable, people will apply under your product to be selling for you, and you are going to close into more sales. So just if you go to your dashboard and click on join our affiliate network, you can list your products, and after listing your products, many people can come under the product and market the product. So with this short video, I think by now you realize that your phone is not just for fun. You can make money online. All you need to do is to create content as simple as digital educative content. And if this video makes sense to you, if you are able to learn anything from this video, the only payback you can do for me is to like the video and subscribe on my channel. Like this video and click subscribe on my channel. Feel free to share the video to your family and friend. Every one of us, we can now begin to turn all our skill into money.